you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the data engineering interview question which might get asked in your upcoming interview. So the question is like you will given a employee table, and on the basis of that you will ask to fetch a specific employee name with a specific type of letter. Suppose you have to find the employee name whose naming is starting with letter S or ending with letter R, or in between like some letter is there. So how you will approach this? So this is very quite simple questions, but people used to be like little bit confused into the beginning and end. So I will tell you, if you have to find anywhere in between the name, if you find to any character, you have to simply what you have to use, just take the where condition, give the first name. So and like we have to use the likewise operator. So this is an operator which used to give us the similar kind of the word, or we have to we can say that wildcard operator or likewise operator, two name of this. So what we have to do, if we have to find the name a specific character at any place, not at in the beginning, not into the end, then we can use ampersand symbol in the beginning and in the end, and we can pass the later. So suppose we will search anywhere o later, okay? If anywhere like in beginning, between, anywhere if o is there, then we have to fetch those employee. So we can see like John, Joss, then again we have John and Jonathan. So wo is in between, not at the beginning, not at the end. So we have find this, right? Now suppose someone will say like find the employees whose name is starting with letter S. So what we have to do, we have to put the letter at beginning, then we have to put the ampersand symbol. So we will get the letter at the beginning. So we can see whose name is starting with S, we are getting those character only. So similarly, if anyone will tell, just give the ending with R. So what we have to do, we have to give the ampersand at beginning and later at the last. So this way we can fetch the name those whose name, like all the employees whose naming is ending with the letter R. So I hope this way means you have to just figure out like what is the question. If it's in letter is in beginning, then you have to put the ampersand at last. If letter is at last, you have to put the ampersand in beginning. And if they will say that anywhere containing that letter, then you have to put at beginning and last. So this is very simple question. You have to just keep the mind like where you will put the ampersand.